It's one of the world's most important shipping routes and it's blocked. A giant ship container ran aground in the Suez Canal after losing power, and at around 200,000 tons, a 400-meter long container got stuck in the canal for almost 6 days. The canal serves 50 ships a day, and around 12% of the world's trade had stalled because of this. The loss piled up to $60 billion. Hello, friends, I welcome you all to another video by Officer's Mind. Today, we'll be studying this chapter that is based on Suez Canal blockage that was caused by a ship known as Ever Given that brought the world's trade to a standstill. This is very important from the perspective of the SSB interviews and competitive examinations. Let's first understand what Suez Canal is. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway present in Egypt. It connects Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It was constructed by the Suez Canal Company in the year 1858. The canal officially opened on 17 November 1869. It serves as a direct route between North Atlantic and Northern Indian Oceans via the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. It avoids the South Atlantic and the Southern Indian Oceans and reduces the journey distance from Arabian Sea to London by approximately 8,900 kilometers. That is, say, a journey of around 8 to 10 days. The canal extends from the northern terminus of Port Said, that is, here on the map, to the southern terminus of the port Tevfik at the city of Suez. The canal allows passage of ships up to 20-meter draft or say 240,000 deadweight tons and up to height of 68 meters above water level and a maximum beam of 77.5 meters. Now let us understand what happened. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the ship Ever Given that was around 220,000 tons of weight, nearly quarter mile long, and it had a capacity of 20,000 containers, got stuck because of losing power and due to the strong winds while it was entering from Red Sea. It completely blocked the passageway that is home to almost 12% of the world's seaborne trade and serves passage for 50 container ships on a daily basis. Now let us understand this particular ship Ever Given. The ship is actually owned by a Japanese shipbuilding company which is known as Imabari, and it is operated by container transportation and shipping company that is known as Evergreen Marine, that is based in Taiwan. Now most of us confuse the name of the ship and the company that owns it. Evergreen is the company that owns the ship Ever Given. Ever Given is officially registered in Panama and it is handled by a German ship management company. Ever Given is actually one of the 13 container ships that this particular Japanese shipping company had built, and this particular ship was laid down on 25 December 2015 and launched on 9th May 2018, and it completed on 25th September 2018 itself. Evergreen's second ship to be named Ever Given. The dimensions of the ship are: it is approximately 400 meters in length and it is one of the longest ships in service. The width of the ship is 59 meters, the length is 400 meters, that is, and it weighs around 220,000 tons. You can also understand the dimensions of the Suez Canal through this picture. Now, what actually happened during this crisis? Let us see date by date what happened. On March 23rd, the cargo ship gets stuck in the Suez Canal. On March 24th, there's a traffic jam that is caused in the canal due to this ship. On March 25th, Egypt suspends all the traffic in the Suez Canal. On March 26, the traffic jam actually grew, and there were almost 280 ships that were stuck in the Suez Canal. This raised an alarm throughout the world. The authorities on March 27 decided to use tidal movements to free the ship, and additional support was given by the tugboats and excavators that started digging the sand from the canal's eastern wall on March 28th. And on March 29th, Ever Given was finally freed after 30,000 cubic meters of sand was removed from the Suez Canal. Now let us see the impact of this crisis. As we know that during the crisis, there were almost 280 ships that were stuck in the Suez Canal. Or these ships, most of them were carrying animals, oil and chemicals. The number of ships that were stuck were carrying all these things, like the bulk carriers were there, the container ships were there, crude oil containers were there, vehicle carriers were there. A lot of other products were being carried by these ships. 12% of the global world trade was put to halt. According to a particular report, $9.6 billion were lost on a daily basis. There was an overall loss of almost $54 billion that was caused by this ship. By that, I come to the end of the video. I think this video would have been very informative for all of you. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to it. If you like the video, do share it. And there's an Instagram page that we have that is by the name officers_mind.